Hey, what's up guys? For today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng EARPODS connector, EARPODS lightning connector. And I know this will be the first time na mag-unbox tayo ng iPhone accessories. So hopefully magugustuhan nyo ang unboxing na gagawin natin. So let's begin! So guys, again, this is the EARPODS lightning connector. So now, i-open na natin to. So ganito lang siya. So there you go, this is the EARPODS itself. And before natin to i-check, tignan muna natin kung ano yung nasa loob ng box. So papers like warranty maybe. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is the warranty, including the manual. So the features here. Okay, so that's it. Basically, there are like three handbooks or maybe manual. And here comes the EARPODS. So as you notice, open na talaga to kasi in-unbox ko na kanina siya sa mall nung nabili ko para i-check ko yung product mismo. Pero binalik ko talaga siya para makita nyo what's inside. Challenging din para yung pagbalat na ito. So ito siya, ganun. Tapos kunin natin to. Let's see here also. Okay. So this is it. Meron tayong EARPODS for right ear and left ear also. And this is the control button. So, yep. As you can see here, parang may sinabi dito eh. Here. So, volume up, this one. So, it has like a mic icon here. So, this is basically your mic. And we have here the plus icon. So, this is for volume up. If you're like listening to music, just press this if you want to max the volume. And this one too, this is for the volume down. And this one is the center button. So that's it. So we have here some feature. So of course you can use it while you're on e-call. And let's see kung ano yung effect na ito kapag nag-insert tayo ng mic or ginamit natin yung earphone. Kung mas maganda ba yung effect na ito. So this is my normal voice without using this earphone or EARPODS. And let's see volume or the sound effect here if we are going to insert this to our phone right now. So yeah, we'll see. So guys, na lagay na natin yung earphone natin sa phone. Meron bang different yung sound natin kanina compare sa ngayon? So kanina hindi tayo nag-earphone. So ngayon in-insert na natin yung earphone. So comment down below kung saan yung mas maganda yung sound effect or yung sound ng video maybe. So I guess that's it for now. And if you have any suggestions to this video, just comment down below. And I hope na mag-unbox pa tayo soon ng iba pang Apple products like iPhone accessories like earbuds, like the wireless earbuds maybe. So if you like this video, don't forget to comment down below and subscribe also to this channel. And thank you also for watching. Peace, yo.